Hello friends, welcome to Finance MCQ. Friends, today we will discuss the vacancy released by Indian Maritime University. So let's start the video. Friends, Indian Maritime University is a central university under Government of India. So they have released the recruitment notification for non-teaching post. Friends, notification is out on 9th August 2024. It's in the scattered manner. So I have just compiled it for your reference. First is for the post of assistant. There are total 15 vacancies, and second one is for assistant finance. There are 12 vacancies for assistant. Out of 15 vacancies, 7 are for unreserved category and rest are all for reserved category candidate. And for assistant finance, out of 12 vacancy, 9 is for unreserved category and rest is for reserved category candidate. Friends, here your posting will be at headquarter Chennai or at other campuses of IMU, that is at Mumbai, Kolkata, Vizag, Kochi and Chennai. So at these locations you can be posted. Now let's see the other terms and conditions. So friends, for the post of assistant, here you will be in the pay band of 5,200 to 20,200 with a grade pay of 2,400. It is as per old pay commission. Now at revised pay commission you will be at pay level 7 as per the revised pay commission, and upper age limit for assistant is not more than 35 years. So you should be less than 35 years, then only you are eligible to apply. Now essential qualification. Friends, here for the post of assistant, the qualification asked is bachelor's degree from any university with minimum 50% marks. So BCom graduate, BA, BSc, all are eligible to apply for this post. Here they have mentioned that desirable experience asked is working knowledge of information and computer communication technology. So basically you should have a working knowledge of computer. That will be an advantage, though it is just a desirable, not essential qualification. Then others are normal terms conditions for this post, and here they have mentioned probation period will be 2 years for direct recruitment candidates. Now for the post of assistant finance, friends, these are the service rules. So here the number of post mentioned is not same as that of this vacancy, so it is of a previous some another vacancy. For this post, vacancies are for assistant finance, there are only 12 vacancies. So do keep this in mind. And again, age limit for assistant finance is also not more than 35 years. So you should be less than 35 years, then only eligible. And education qualification and other criteria. Friends, here the essential qualification asked for assistant finance is also a bachelor's degree with minimum 50% marks or equivalent in commerce, mathematics or statistics. So here they have specifically mentioned you should be a bachelor's degree holder in commerce, mathematics or statistics, then only you are eligible. So basically BCom graduates are eligible for this post, and desirable is that you should have working knowledge of information and communication, particularly in accounting software. So basically if you have a knowledge of Tally, SAP or any other accounting software, that will be an advantage for you here. And here they have mentioned period of probation. You will be in the probation for a period of 2 years and you will be in the same pay scale of as that of assistant. So these are the normal terms and conditions that they have mentioned. Now let's talk about some general terms and conditions and other criteria which we have missed out. Friends, here you have online application portal is started from 9th August and last date of submission of online application is 30th August. So before that day you have to make an application, and only online application is to be made. And as I mentioned, assistant and assistant finance will be in the pay level 4 as per 7th CPC, and how to registration steps are mentioned. You can check them. And here the important point is that candidates who are interested to apply for both the posts, that is for assistant as well as for assistant finance, you have to make a separate registration. So if you are meeting the eligibility criteria, you can apply for both the posts, provided you have to make a separate registration. Then the which documents to be attached is also mentioned here. You can check them. And as I already mentioned, maximum age limit is 35 years and there is certain age relaxation for reserve category candidate. Now selection process. Friends, you will be shortlisted based on computer based test performance and there will not be any interview for both the posts, for assistant as well as for assistant finance. And the good news is that your computer based test will be conducted on 15th September. So that is just 15 days after end of application date they will conduct the written test. So that's really a good thing that in notification only they have mentioned that your computer based test will be held on 15th September. So that's really a good thing, and on the basis of a performance in computer based test you will be shortlisted for final merit list subject to fulfillment of other conditions, basically your document verification and all those. And they have mentioned that the minimum qualifying marks required. So friends, if you are belong to unreserved category, EWS, OBC category, you need to score 50% marks, and for SC ST 45% marks is required to be scored. An application fee, friends, you need to make an application fee for online computer based test, that is 700 rupees plus taxes for SC ST category candidate and 1000 for all other candidates. And if you are applying for 2 posts, then you have to make 2 separate payments. And women candidate and PWD category candidates are exempt from making any application fee. Now exam pattern. Friends, they have mentioned your exam will be in MCQ format. For assistant finance, total 120 questions will be asked, and for assistant also 120 questions will be there. And syllabus is also mentioned here. Syllabus will be graduate level except English. English will be based on 10+2 level. For assistant, the syllabus contain English, GK, general mathematics, logical reasoning, and element of information and communication technology. And for assistant finance, your syllabus will be English, GK, mathematics, logical reasoning, element of financial accounting, cost accounting, financial management, audit, commerce, taxation, element of information and communication technology. Now pattern is mentioned. For assistant, part 1 will consist of English. It will have 30 questions. Duration will be 30 minutes. And part 2 will consist of GK, mathematics, reasoning, and your technical domain. Here basically element of information, communication and technology. There is no technical domain as such. So questions from computer related questions will be there from information communication technology, and rest are non-technical topics only. So like this 90 questions will be asked. Each question will have 1 mark. So like this total 120 questions will have maximum 120 marks, and you will be provided 120 minutes. So basically 2 hours is provided to answer this computer based test. Then for assistant finance, again it will be in 2 parts. Part 1 will have general English, which will have 30 questions, maximum 30 marks will be there, and 30 minutes duration will be provided to you. And your part 2 will consist of general knowledge, general mathematics, logical reasoning, and the technical syllabus we have just discussed. So here total will be 90 questions will be asked, and like this total 120 questions will be there. So maximum marks for part 2 will be 90 marks only, and 90 minutes will be provided. So like this total duration will be 120 minutes. So again 2 hours will be provided to write your computer based test. And there is a negative marking to the extent of 0.25. The test centers are also mentioned. Your exam will be held in 12 cities. So select the city which is closer to your home, and you have to give 3 preference for the cities. And candidates who are shortlisted based on online computer course will be called for further selection process. And for any intimation, they will inform through their website, and the admit card and all they will directly send at your email ID. So here just for your recollection, I will again mention that online application is already started from 9th August. Last date of making online application is 30th August 2024 by midnight. So if you are meeting the eligibility criteria, you should definitely give it a try. You will get a good exposure. Number of vacancies are also good. For assistant 15 posts are there, and for assistant finance 12 vacancies are there. So definitely give it a try. So that's all in this video. I hope you like it. Thank you so much for watching this video till the end.